Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name's Cody Kidd. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. Let's go on the lot and I'll show you one of our certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's go take a look. Here we have our 2016 Mazda CX-3 Grand Touring. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner. It comes equipped with keyless entry, power heated outside mirrors and turn signals, slightly tinted glass, and much more. The CX-3 is compact, lightweight, and efficient, all of which makes it a pleasure to drive. This Mazda has 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels with performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire with low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Mazda is in great condition. It has auto off projector beam, auto leveling, adaptive daytime running lights with delay off, along with fog lights and a really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 2.0 liter engine with automatic transmission. The Mazda is front wheel drive and estimated the driver received an impressive 31 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that the Mazda only has 33,236 miles on it. At the back of the Mazda, you can see the antenna, rear lip spoiler, rear wiper, along with large LED brake lights and sleek badging. Looking to the cargo area, you can see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a cargo cover and cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice the Mazda has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the door bins as well as seat back storage. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is very well appointed with leatherette and metal looking interior accents. Drivers and passengers will feel very comfortable in the heated leather and suede seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Mazda is also equipped with selective service internet, 911 automatic notification, and push to start. Here are the easy reach controls for the power side mirrors, power door locks, auto lock, and power windows with driver express up and down. This Mazda has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather up steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with heads-up display and a very well lit instrument cluster. Here's a feature that everyone can enjoy: the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home for your entertainment and navigation features and is paired with a Bose 7-speaker premium sound system. This includes your classic AM/FM radio and CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using USB or auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has voice command. You also have automatic climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear and its guidelines make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this vehicle is Spark certified, which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years, 30,000 mile complimentary recommended service. It also includes 160-point quality inspection by a Toyota certified technician, lifetime Sparks preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service done here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thanks for watching.